Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you easy and fast way to create a website. So we're just going to go straight to the point and then show you the easy and the fastest way to create your own website using WordPress. So first of all, what do you need? Now you need domain name, hosting, and then install WordPress. So we're going to go straight to the point and then find a domain name, hosting, and then also we're going to install WordPress on our hosting. So to find a domain name, click on the link in the description over here. Just click on this link. It's going to take you to this website over here, as you can see. Now this over here, you're going to find a cheap domain that you're going to buy less than $7-8 for a year, and then also you buy a hosting for yourself, so you can find cheap domain over here. Now of course, if you want to me to walk you through this process over here, I have video that I've done, how to get a cheap domain. I'll leave the link in the description for you so that you'll be able to get it, and then also how to buy hosting and all those things. I'll leave the link in the description for you. Now after getting the domain, all what you need to do is to install WordPress. Now if you want to learn how to install WordPress, also I've done a video on how to install WordPress. So get your WordPress installed, set up for you, and then we're going to get something like this over here. So after installing the WordPress and everything, you're going to get a new WordPress website over here, just like this one. Now let's go to the admin dashboard of the website. So we're going to go over here to the admin side of the website, and then I'm going to show you how you can be able to turn this empty website into a very beautiful website within some couple of minutes. So to do that, all what we need to do now, this is the admin side. Okay, so first of all, you can do some few settings for it. So go to settings over here, and then go to general. Check out that your website name and everything is correct. So if you want to change this one, you can change it. So I want to say maybe real estate, because I'm going to do a real estate website. So real estate, and then I'm going to change this one to buy and sell houses. Okay, and then check that everything is correct for you, and then after that click on save changes over here. All right, so now that I've set up my name, all what I need to do is to go to permalinks over here, and then over here I'm going to change the permalink structure from plain to post name over here, and then I'm going to click on save now. Now this is good for SEO purposes. Okay, that is why I changed the name from plain to post name. Now as you can see, the plain over here will give you this kind of a link structure. Okay, and then the post name will give you a very nice clean link structure. So this one will be your sample, your post name over here. The last link over here will be your post name. Okay, so maybe if it is let's say your website /about, okay, that is how it's going to be. But this one is going to be the post ID, which will come over here, which is not a good thing. Okay, so make sure that you change it from the plain or any of these ones to post name, to be able to help you rank well using when you get to the search engines side. Now that we have this one set up, now what do we have to do? We have to set up a theme. Okay, and that is why we are going to we're going to go and then install a new theme. We need to set up our theme. Okay, and that is why we're going to install a new theme. Now to install that new theme, we're going to go to a website. So I'll leave the link in the description. Go to that particular link and then click over there. You're gonna come to this website over here. Okay, now this is called CyberChimps. Now this one is a website which is basically for themes and then plugins. Okay, now they sell themes and plugins over here, but that is not what we are going to do. We're going to get the free ones over there. They have multiple of free ones too over here. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to themes over here, hover on it over here, and then click on free themes. Now click on it, Okay guys, so when you click on it, you're gonna come over here straight away. Okay, so as you can see, there are a couple of free themes over here, and that is what we're going to use. So we're going to take one of these themes and then use it to create our website for free. Okay, so what are we looking for? We're going to look for this real estate over here. So we're going to click on it. It's just going to give us the details of the theme and everything. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to give you all the details of the theme and everything that you want you need. Okay, so as you can see, everything about the theme is over here. You can read through it, but I'm not going to go through all these things. So I'm going to click over here to view the demo of the website. So this is the complete demo of the website. Everything that I want on this website is over here. Okay, so as you can see over here, a complete website over here. So now that I've seen what I want, all what I need to do is to go back to the website over here and then click on get free theme. So I'm going to click over here, and then it will take me down over here. Okay, and then I can click on download now for free. So I'm going to click on this one to download the theme for free. So now as you can see, it is downloading the theme for me over here. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it to download. Then a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, it will download. So after I download, I need to install this theme on my website. So now that I have my theme downloaded successfully, now I need to go back to my website and then install the theme over there. So I'm going to cancel this one over here, go back over here to my website. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the WordPress admin of the website. Okay, so the last place that we were was on the permalinks option. So I'm going to go to hover on appearance over here, click on themes. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this once. Okay, the theme is trying to open for me, but I don't want it to open. I don't want to make sure that the theme is in a zip file, and then do not extract it. Okay, because we have to upload it as a zip file. So the themes over here, so I'm going to click on add new. So click on add new and then click on upload theme. Now click on choose file and then choose the file that you downloaded. So as you can see, I have two files over here, the same theme that I downloaded. So I'm going to click on it and then click on open. Now I'm going to click on install for the theme to install for me. So I'm going to wait for some couple of seconds or minutes, and then it will install the theme for me. Okay, so the theme is uploaded and then also installed successfully. So now that I have the theme uploaded and installed successfully, the next one to do is to activate the theme. So as you can see over here, there are three links over here. The middle one, which is the second one, is activate. So click on activate, and now I have my responsive theme or the real estate theme activated. So now if I go back over here and then refresh the website, I'm going to have something like this over here. So I'm going to go to home, and then it's going to give me over here. Don't worry, do not worry too much. We're going to work on it and then make sure that we have what we want done. Okay guys, so now that we have our theme installed, okay, so the next thing that we have to do is to install the plugin, the responsive starter plugin. So as you can see over here, when you come over here, okay, you're going to see that it tells you that all you have to do is install the free responsive theme and free responsive starter template plugin, import the real estate ready site, add content, and launch your website. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install this plugin. Now as you can see, this is the plugin over here. Okay, it is in the WordPress plugins directory, so there is no need for us to even download it over here and then go and install it. So all what we need to do is just copy this one over here, go back to your dashboard, and then go to plugins over here, click on installed plugin, or you can click on add new plugin. As you can see, I have no plugins over here. What I need to do is to just click on add new plugin or add new over here, and I'm going to search for the plugin that I want, the copied one that I copied. Just paste it over here. That is responsive startup template. Elementor and WordPress template. So this is what we need. Okay, so I'm going to what install now over here, and then I'm going to click on activate to activate the plugin for me. Now guys, we need another plugin to make this work. As you can see, it says that it is what Elementor. So what we're going to do is what we are going to look for what Elementor over here. So we're going to search for Elementor. So search for Elementor, which is what a page builder to help us to be able to what build our pages, okay, using the starter template that we installed right now. So we're going to click on install also, and then we're going to click on activate. Now these are the two plugins that we need, and then after that we are good to go. So now that we have installed these two plugins, now what we're going to do is when you search over here, you see responsive over here. Okay, so hover on it, you want to see two things over here: getting started and then responsive templates. Now we're going to go over and click on to what responsive template over here. Click on it, and then you are going to see a lot of what templates that we saw on this particular website over here. Okay, so now that we have now you can decide to skip the tour that they want you to go. Okay, so now as you can see, we have a lot of templates over here. Some are pro, some are free. Okay, but you can also search for the template that we are looking for. Remember, we are looking for the real estate template. Okay, so we're going to click over here, and then we're going to go straight to free. Okay, because we need the free template. So as you can see, all the free templates are over here, and then when we search through, we're going to see our real estate template. Let's see, where is it? I can't find it. Yes, this one over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is what the template that we are looking for. Okay, so we can click on it to preview it, and then this is what the template that we want to import. Okay, so all what we need to do is just click on import site or import template, anyone that you want. Okay, so let's say we want to import site. So as you can see, install required plugins, and then delete previous import, and then import content, import customizer settings. So these are the things that the required plugins. You can click over, and then as you can see, the repeat forms, and then Elementor. So you have to install them, and then all these ones, if you want to untick them, you can untick them. So previous template that you imported. So I'm going to click on import site, and then it will import all the site content and everything for me. So let's wait for some couple of minutes, and then everything will be done for us. Okay guys, so at the moment you see this green launch site, it means that your import is successful, your site is complete. Okay, you can click over here to launch the site, to see your website, your real estate website that you imported. Okay, so as you can see, everything is successfully done for us. So everything is complete. We have everything successfully done over here for us. Okay, so all what we need to do is to change some few things, and we are ready to go. Now remember that we use the page builder, which is Elementor, okay, to help us edit this one. That is why we installed the Elementor. So to do the editing, it is also very simple. As you can see, we can click on edit with Elementor over here to edit the home page over here. So whichever page that you are, so first you can see the edit with Elementor button. You can be able to go ahead straight away to be able to edit your page. So now as you can see, we are loading the page for us to be able to help us edit the page. Okay guys, so now that we are over here, now we can go ahead and then do some few editing. Okay, so find your dream home. If you're okay with it, you can leave it at it, but you can you can edit it. Now if you want to maybe change this one over here, you can click on the pencil icon over here, just click on it. Okay, you can go ahead and then edit it. So as you can see, this side will open for you, and then you can be able to change whatever that you want to change over here. So instead of find your dream home, you can decide to maybe find your dream house, or whatever it is that you want to change. You can do that. So as you can see, this is the change that has been done for us. Now as you can see, this is what a dummy what text over here. So also to do that, you can go ahead, click over here, and then it will open for this side for you, and then you can add your text over here. Okay, so you can add, you can delete. Okay, let's say you can delete, and then you can also add any text that you want to add over there. So you can go ahead and then just type in some things that you want to be added over there for you, and then it will be it will be added for you. So as you can see, it has been added for us over here. Okay, and that is it. So you can go ahead and then we'll do all the changes that you want to do, everything that you want to do using Elementor. Now if you don't know how to use Elementor, I have done an intensive video about Elementor and how to be able to use Elementor to create your own website. So to do that, there is a link in the description that I'm going to leave. You can go over there and then watch the full tutorial of Elementor and everything you need to know about Elementor. So guys, you can go ahead and then edit each session by session. Now if you don't want any session, let's say maybe there are some sessions that you don't really want, okay, so meet our agent, maybe you don't want, you can go ahead and then click over here to delete it. Okay, and then it will be it will be deleted. Now that you understand how to be able to customize pages, okay, let's go ahead and then customize our header, change the the logo over here, and then also go ahead and then customize our footer too over here. So with this footer, you can go ahead and then even customize it just right now, but I'm talking about this particular footer over here. Okay, so you can go ahead and then just change all the the logo that you want to change. Just click over here, and then you'll be redirected to over here. Just click to select your files that you want, and then you can locate where your particular logo that you want to use is, and then you can be able to use it. Okay, so that is it. Now let's go back to after every successful edit, all what you need to do is to click on update over here to update your edits that you did, and then your page is good. Now remember that it is mobile friendly. It means that it is responsive for mobile. To check that, you can click on this responsive mode over here. Okay, this icon over here, click on it, and then you can check it on on tablet, and then also on mobile. Okay, so you can check everything on tablet and everything on mobile to see how responsive the website is on all devices. Okay, so as you can see, this is on tablet, and then this one is also on the desktop mode. Okay, so guys, that is how you can be able to check it and then do all changes that you want to do about it. Now that we are done over here, now I'm going to take you straight to the other side of it, which is the header and then the footer. So I'm going to click over here and then click on view page. So this is the page. Okay, now to edit the header, now we're going to go to customize over here. So click on customize over here. So you will be redirected to this place over here. So now as you can see, you can customize all the other side of the website. Okay, so what we have to do is just click on header over here, and then as you can see, this is the primary header. Okay, so we're going to click on the primary header over here, and then we can see everything about the primary header. Okay, so the background colors and border colors and everything. Okay, we can see the header and everything. Now site branding, if you want to see it, you can click to see it, or just click to ignore it. Okay, if you don't want it, if you want it also, you can click to bring it back. Okay, and that is it. So that is with the primary header. So now this is the navigation. So if you don't want if you want the navigation also, or if you don't want the navigation, you can click the eye over here to make it go away, and then also to make it come back. Now as you can see, if you want to edit the the logo over here, just click on this one over here, and then it will take you to what site identity over here. Okay, now you can remove or change what the logo, okay, depending on you. And then you can also what change the site title that we did in the what in the settings side of what of the WordPress. So as you can see, when I click on change logo, it's going to bring me over here, and I can decide to what use any image that I want to use to be able to what let's say I want to use this image over here. Okay, and I click on what upload or open. It's going to what upload for me. I'm going to have this image over here. Now if I click on select over here, it's going to tell me to crop the image. Okay, so if I want to crop it, I can crop it. If I don't want, I can just skip what cropping. Now I'm going to have this image as my logo. Okay, so it will replace the logo that I had already over there. So let's just wait and then see. So as you can see, this is the the logo. It's still really big, so make sure that you have the right size of the logo, so that you can be able to use over there. Okay, so you can be able to edit the logo and everything, and then be using over here. But that is exactly how you can be able to set up your logo for this particular website. So now go back over here. Now if you are done, you can go ahead and then publish it. Now you can do all other changes to over here. Okay, so as you can see, all other changes you can be able to do. Now if you go to menus over here, you can check out the menus over here. Okay, you can also set your menus at the WordPress admin backend over there to set up your menu over there. Now I think that is how you can be able to customize your header. Okay, and then with the footer, you can click over here, and then the layout, the customized background, the script, and other stuff. You can be able to do everything that you want to do over here. Now if you want more of this particular template, or this particular how do you call it, theme, all what you need to do is to upgrade to the pro version of the theme. And you're going to have everything for you to be able to customize the theme for you. Okay, so I hope you could be able to design your website in a way that you want it, okay, without wasting my time and other stuff, with free themes and free templates. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.